Hello, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Canada to India through PayPal. Well, we can do this using this website called Zoom, although we can also do it directly from PayPal, but that's a bit simpler and doesn't really need a video to show how it's done. However, with the Zoom platform, you can make international transfers. For example, if we click here on Send Money, here we can see that we can choose a country to which we want to send money. As you can see, it's a platform specialized for this purpose. And well, since we want to send money from Canada to India, what we're going to do here is look for India. Here it is, so we click on it. Now we can enter the amount we want to send, and here we can see how much the recipient will get. Here are the options we can use to send the money. And then we click Next to move on to the next step. As you can see, we can log in with PayPal. Once we log in with PayPal, we can use our PayPal balance to send money through Zoom. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do. I hope this helps you, and if you liked it, please comment and subscribe. Obviously, as you continue, you'll need to fill in the recipient's details and so on. That's it. If this video helped you, comment and subscribe.